Despite having years of experience and having a solid career, I hit pause when life threw personal and professional challenges on my way. From having family health emergencies to facing workplace bias, I chose to upskill myself with Simplilearn's AI and ML program in collaboration with Purdue University. This course just didn't help me to sharpen my technical capabilities, but also helped me regain my confidence and also helped strengthening my critical thinking and evolve me as a more effective leader. Today, I'm not just back in the workplace, but I'm thriving at PwC India, guiding projects and people with a renewed sense of purpose and capabilities. Hi, I'm Ananya Shah and this is my journey. I'm basically from the Indian state of West Bengal. I completed my +2 from Berhampur, West Bengal, post which I did BSc in Statistics from Christ College, Bangalore. After that, I did MBA in Marketing and Finance from IIPM, New Delhi. I did my second Masters, that is Masters in Statistics from Bangalore University. I got an opportunity with PricewaterhouseCoopers India, wherein I joined as a senior consultant in the domain of advanced analytics. I serve as a business analyst currently. Also, I have worked and handled projects, taking care of the governance and project management part. So I believe it was in the year 2022. I faced medical challenge wherein my doctor said, Ananya, it's very important that you take care of your health first. And then anytime when you recovered, you can join and work. So that's when, yes, I kind of given time to myself, my family, and I recovered by God's grace. Everything happened properly and I came out from that medical emergency. We are lifelong learners and I am a lifelong learner. And that's why I took the immediate decision when I felt that in depth I wanted to dig down in the area of statistics and learning AI, and I took the conscious decision of taking up the program AI and ML with Purdue University and with Simplilearn. I was working with TCS closely for around 4 years when I took a decision to take a 2 years break in terms of gathering that knowledge and enhance my skill sets in the area where I felt that I am lagging to. Simplilearn always stood out for me. The dedicated individuals, I must say, worked relentlessly and giving their service and make sure that all the needs are met. Be it in terms of individual or organization, how best we can use AI responsibly. That is very, very crucial at this juncture, because otherwise it will give a gibberish data which we don't seek for. I think the certification can help me learn this. We all can do wonders. We human beings have a great potential. We just need to unleash it. Getting the things right, understanding it, analyzing it, and contributing with the best for the society, for its development will make all the difference.